She just got scared. Ah! Hi! Hi! Hey. Hey, squad up, squad up. Glow weekend, glow weekend. Woohoo, woohoo. Everyone always comes to Bar Taco. Cheers. We got the spread. This place is amazing.
I'm wearing Amazon. Hello?
It's a dance party.
Oh my gosh. Rest in peace, Foxtrot.
Rest in peace who?
Oh my gosh. Isn't that so sad?
Look at all that's boarded up.
It's all boarded up now. Rest in peace.
I wanted my ice cream.
Oh my gosh, they sold these ice cream cones or sandwiches that we wanted to get. No, we can't get them here.
I kind of want to cross the street and go.
We can go.
I bet you they have like a sign that says,
We are no longer here.
"We died."
We died.
We died.
We just did a Pilates class.
I feel great.
Oh my gosh, I'm glad because this is Hailee's first time ever doing Pilates. But because I love it so much, I was like convinced that Hailee was gonna love it too.
I love that.
So I'm glad that she loved it because now she's like, I feel so stretched out. And that's exactly what I feel like when I leave a Pilates class. So I'm so glad because now that we are like stretched and ready to go for glow. And now
Ready
she'll
to
rage. And now she has like a thing. I was like, would you get like a 4-pack and do it like once a week? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, hell yeah. Let's get into it, ladies.
I need to stretch
we are
more.
fit in 2024. Fit ladies. Yes.
Girl boss queen.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Rest in peace. Sad.
Ice queen. It's so cute too.
It's so pretty. Cherry Blossom Festival in season.
I love cherry blossoms.
We've been walking these streets to go to the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my gosh, we're so excited.
From a mac and cheese ball.
No, literally. Fried zucchini with the ranch and then Tex-Mex egg rolls. Are you excited? Let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Thank you. Wow. We also got the fried mac and cheese balls. Okay, we just tried these. I would give it literally like a 9 out of 10. I thought it was really good.
8 out of 10. No,
Okay.
8.5.
Okay, okay.
The sauce is really good.
And it is a little bit spicy. It's good. I like it.
It's got a nice flavor to it.
Hold on. Sorry.
I'll do it on the next one.
All right, we're doing the zucchini next. Cheers. With the ranch. Oh my gosh.
I would drown myself in that ranch. That yum.
That's like a 7.
The zucchini is like thin enough. It's not
super good.
too much,
And crispy.
but also like it's zucchini, so there's not like too much flavor.
Exactly.
But the ranch is like,
The ranch is what makes it good.
yeah.
But it's so crunchy and crispy. You gave the fried zucchini a 7 point. Okay. We're doing the crab wontons now. It's like a 5. Yeah.
I love it. I give it a
Okay, now we're doing this Korean fried cauliflower. And literally, it's so good on its own. But then we dipped it in the ranch. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10, dude. It is so good. I really like it. I give it a solid like 8.5. I think
I give it a
it's really, really good.
Without the ranch, 9.5.
Yeah.
With the ranch though, 10.
It's so good. I really, really like that one.
Oh,
yeah. Oh my gosh. Yum. Delicious. Those are so cheesy and gooey.
so delicious.
Okay, I think I give those a 9, and I'm changing my Tex-Mex egg rolls to a 10.
Oh,
I think that is my favorite.
okay.
What about you?
I'm gonna say the mac and cheese balls a 9, but I'm still holding strong on this Korean cauliflower. My favorite thing.
I think all of these are really good, and I would probably order all of them again, except for I don't think I would order the wontons again. What about you?
Same.
But you would order everything else?
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
But all of it is so delicious, and we're about to grub and get down. And we got bread.
Oh, we did get bread.
And we'll show you if we end up getting cheesecake. We probably will. Knowing us, like, we're gonna share a piece, and it's gonna be delicious. We got the Cinnabon cheesecake, and they split it for us, like 1 piece, but like 2 plates. Yay!
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Day 1 of the festival.
Let's go!
Let's go! We got Hailee, we got Brittany, and we got Dylan. Hell yeah, let's go!
Wanna see what it is.
Bring the cherry blossom.
Yummy. We eating good. Good.
We just finished eating brunch at the a baked joint. And it was so good. 10 out of 10 for me, like literally every time I go there. What did you think?
I definitely 10 out of 10.
It's so good.
Oh.
Now we're gonna go to a Japanese like food stall market and we're gonna get some soft serve.
Because it's hot.
It's hot. It's literally 85 degrees I think today. So hot. Yeah, there's a DC zoo. It's where the panda was and it left. Oh, there's a lot. Love on the Run is the one that has the... Oh my gosh, look at all of that. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Those look so good. What in the world? Black sesame donut, strawberry matcha. Stop it.
Could we order like on a board?
Oh, okay. Okay, I got a matcha coconut soft serve on a charcoal cone.
Mine doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing, but it's
This is cherry and peach swirl. Oh my god, is it good?
yeah.
It's like a sorbet.
It's literally so good.
Oh my gosh, I am loving this.